90-second recipe, go. This time we're doing corned beef and cabbage. We're going to start with a mirepoix, carrot, celery, onion. I used 2 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, and then just 1 regular yellow onion. Chop those however you want. Next, get your slab of corned beef, open that up, lay down a paper towel on your cutting board, and then gently dab the moisture off with a paper towel. It just adds some extra fats that I don't like. Next, oil and butter so you don't burn your butter. Melt that down. Then we're going to gently sear each side of this. This one's got kind of a big knob, so I tried to get 3 as well as I could. Next, add 12 ounces of light lager and then water. Normally I'd cover, but that knob was sticking out. It didn't really matter. Add your veggies, then maintain a gentle boil. Next, we're going to get some potatoes, quarter those, and toss them in after 2 hours. We're going to boil those for 30 minutes, and our corned beef is going to be done. In the meantime, get a edged sheet pan, lay down some foil. We are going to add some liquid to this, so you want a little bit of an edge on it. Next, chop your cabbage up. I like to slice mine and then just kind of break it apart. It gives it that more authentic feel. Chop up an onion, lay that on top of your cabbage, break it up, kind of massage it in. Next, salt, some pepper, and then we're going to add apple cider vinegar. I just put my thumb over the mouth and kind of dab it on. It's an art, not a science. Next, olive oil, and then we're just kind of massage that in. Cover that, cook it for 40 minutes at 400. Then you want to let your corned beef rest, get all your veggies out, cut your corned beef against the grain so it doesn't shred, and there you have it. Enjoy.